Good morning. It's Wednesday, September 23rd, and we're here for another What's New Wednesday update.
You may have noticed that we have a new intro for our video today. It features music by Muhlenberg County native Derek Harris. Thanks for your contribution, Derek.
We have more new materials today to share with our viewers. This week's new materials include The Left-Handed Booksellers of London by Garth. It's a juvenile fiction book that follows Merlin in the titular role as a bookseller whose real job it is to keep the old world, which is full of mysticism and magic, from intruding on the modern world. Susan meets Merlin and enlists his help in finding her father, a man she never met. Joyce Carol Oates, who Publishers Weekly called the Grand Mistress of Ghoulishness, presents Cardiff by the Sea, 4 deeply disturbing novellas featuring women facing threats both past and present. Craig Johnson delivers Next to Last Stand, a novel set in the television series Longmire's World of Wyoming. It is an all-new adventure following Walt Longmire's investigation into a deceased veteran, a missing painting, and $1 million. The Virginia Dynasty by Lynne Cheney is a new nonfiction title by the former Second Lady of the United States. It looks at the small geographic area that gave us 4 of the first 5 presidents and the conflicts and disputes that shaped them. And last we have His Dark Materials, the first HBO season based on Philip Pullman's epic fantasy trilogy. It follows Lyra, an orphan who must make an incredible journey through a parallel world where human souls live as talking animals outside of the body.
As always, you can find these items and more in the library or on our catalog online. You can come by the library on Monday or Wednesday to see these items in person, or you can call to make an appointment for curbside pickup on Tuesday or Thursday.
We are continuing to hand out activity kits each week for preschoolers and monthly for elementary students, preteens, and our teens. Our next elementary and teen kit will go out the first full week of October. If you haven't already registered, make sure that you sign up in advance to receive a kit.
The deadline to sign up and receive these kits for older children is next Friday, October 2nd. You can sign up at the link on your screen, and the link is also included in the video description.
Finally, remember that this is the last week for Library Card Sign-Up Month contest. If you need a library card, make sure you sign up before September 30th to be entered in our prize drawing.
That's all we have for this week's update, but thanks for watching and have a great week.